Hello everybody, Chris Avis here with Microsoft, and I'm doing a short video on how to create VHD files using the GUI tools built into Windows 7 and Windows 2008 R2. As usual, if you have any questions at all, please hit me up through my blog at chrisavis.com. Alright, let's jump into it. We are looking at the desktop of my production Hyper-V server at home. This is a Windows 2008 R2 server. And there's really three different ways that we can create the VHD files using the built-in tools. So the first one we're going to look at is disk management. So if we open up the server manager, go to disk management, and right-click here, you can see that we have options for creating a VHD as well as attaching a VHD. Just to show you the create portion of this real quick, it's pretty simple stuff. We can select a location, the size of the disk, and then a couple of different options around the type of format, whether it's dynamically expanding or a fixed size. We'll go into the different types of formats in a separate video. I just wanted to show you where we could create these. Alright, so that's option one. Option number two. If you have installed or added the Hyper-V role to your 2008 R2 server, we can drill into this management node, to our Hyper-V manager, to our server, and then we have two different options here. If we right-click and select New, and then select Virtual Machine, we'll just kind of hyper-click through all of this stuff until we get to the options for creating the virtual hard drive. And there we are. We can create a brand new virtual hard drive, and we can use an existing, we can attach another. Now, the point of this is that when we use the wizard, we're limited in what we can actually create. So this will create actually a dynamically expanding hard drive. You don't have the option of doing a differencing or a fixed drive through this particular wizard, and so creating it elsewhere may actually be something that you need to do based upon the type of drive that you need to put in place, and other types of performance requirements, etc., which again we'll do in another video. Alright, let's cancel out of this. The third option, again, we right-click on our server in our Hyper-V manager, select New, and then select Hard Disk. Get through the first part, and this is the most dynamic version of creating the virtual hard drives that we have outside of leveraging something like PowerShell to do this. This gives us the three different types of disks that we can create: fixed, dynamically expanding, and differencing, and then the options for this wizard will change based upon the type of disk that we select. But the purpose of this video was just to show you the three different places we can do this. Keep in mind we can also create virtual hard drives, VHD files using System Center Virtual Machine Manager, third-party tools, PowerShell, but we're really focusing on what we can do within just the basic portion of Windows 2008 R2. So again, as always, thank you for watching the video. If you have any questions, hit me up at my blog at chrisavis.com. You have a great day.